Angela just smelled the pink pen and said it stink. Did Angela come to a farm and run and say she an organic daughter from the sun?
That smell too organic.
What go on here, so? Angela run from pig farm.
She eat, don't say she eat. She can't consume.
We can't believe this. Look, people. You see what? That's why I have to bring people a real place. You know. You see what Angela just said? The pig farm stink. Bougie. Jamaica Good Life. We can't take him nowhere with it. Into bougie. Too bougie. We could go.
I did.
Stay upon Baba. We're going to get some saltfish. Come, bougie.
You want to come with me?
Come, Martha Stewart. Stay with them. Martha Stewart, stay with them.
I'm going to come.
Some Angela said the pig for smell. It stink and run.
Me I eat food.
Too bougie.
I know too bougie.
Yeah, bougie Angela.
Oh,
I go to the shop. Everybody, she just smell it again. Look at him face. Lord God. He smell like a pig shit almost dead. Angela say it stink. Come still smell it. All the way up here, so. We're going to tie you to the pig pen. I'm going to tie you to it. Literally tie you to the pig pen now. Make you suffer.
No.
Get some humility in you.
No.
Make you really pray to the Almighty. You see, you forget to the point that your brain can black out smell, you know. Blackout smell.
You're right.
It's another consciousness level, you know.
You're absolutely right.
It's another level.
But when I have to, I will. When I eat breakfast.
Just another.
I'm gonna eat breakfast and I consume and I swallow all of that. No, sir.
No woman, I agree with you right now. Randomly, I'm going to pig near the pig. I said, I'm going to say, you know.
More than that, more over me not eat pig. No, sir.
All right, see the. We could climb on top here, so. We climb on top.
Up top.
This is up top, people. What I'm saying?
Up top.
You're there now.
Top of that hill there.
You're there
Got
now.
Campbell.
No. You see? No, you're there.
Norway, people.
No, you'll see it for the first time live. Isn't it beautiful?
You literally look like you could stretch on top of a mountain and touch the sky, not you?
Yeah. Music. Up here, so when you play reggae music, and you're living
Is this
out
where we
there.
had the party? Up the road?
Up the road.
Okay.
Taking you to the house.
Okay.
My original home.
This is your original home then?
Yeah. Hello. Where's Nadine? Good intention live now? Yo, Pops, I forgot to see her. How was the party?
Party shot, man.
You know Paris? You know Paris?
No, sir. No, boy. Drink some already.
You know,
Hi, Pops.
Hello.
Angela.
Hello, I'm Angela.
Okay.
What you have over the bush? No fruit? No food?
Fruit, no.
Banana?
Banana.
What are they?
Banana, them tough.
Them get too big? Alright.
Right.
For right? When we go take one, man.
Oh.
You're ready if them up for ripe? Them up,
Yeah, that means so can get some ripe banana.
When it's ripe? How long before them ripe?
For 4 days.
Couple of days. One down, that's what this way.
You sell saltfish? You have saltfish? We're going to buy saltfish from Pops.
Good, Pops. Sell them some fucking saltfish.
Yeah, man. Far from the family. Respect yourself.
Yeah, man.
Love.
You're young and innocent. Your love and dignity that made you excellent. When you was loving and tender to your parents. When you played on the music and your company friend. And if you fight today, tomorrow it is forgotten.
Alright, right now this is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. So the man called Pop Shops. Pops, what you want for the investors investing in you to grow your business? What do you want?
Oh.
a little more helpful. Get the thing more organized, so everything you can sell, you know. That's no dollar no pass you.
No, you want to stack it up?
Yeah, man, stack up in the right way.
Saltfish, you have a lot?
No, man, right now, almost can't find one £1, you know.
Let me see. Give me a £1. How much a pound for the saltfish?
$600.
Alright, proceed. So if you did have more,
Yeah, man.
you could have sold it for cheaper too.
Yeah, man, you could have a different money.
What you mean, man? So let me get the whole of that.
Let's see how much this is. This is £1.5.
Alright. We're going to deal with that. Let's deal with that. What's the total there?
This is $8.
Alright. So see it there? We'll support Pops.
Yeah, man.
Now we have 2 bills left. What we can get for 2 bills? Anything for
Yeah. What you want to drink or eat or? Yeah, some.
We're going to bush cup roast the saltfish. You have no tomato or nothing, you know, no seasoning.
No, no seasoning. Roast the fish a bush.
We're going to roast with yam.
Oh, so you want butter with it for
You have butter?
But me have the pack. Yeah, man, I'm get a pack of butter. I get a pack of butter for putting on the yam anyways.
Okay, good. Give
So 2
some.
bills, sorry.
Alright, cool. We're good. Yeah, man, that's how
So
it's.
now I go for Baba one else
Baba
piece.
bush. Yeah. We'll go deep in. You want to come? Yeah, man, people support Pops, you know. Him name Blacker. So how's the van?
But I know if I now move yet.
Because-
one really want some help.
What do you need with the van?
Just want to pay. I make a whole lot of money to get the van lifestyle insurance. I can make it drive right now still if I want, you know.
So now, did you fix the alternator?
Yes, man, we start out here.
You fix it so you can start right now?
Yeah, man, you can't start, but you tire them flat down and it. Me not no battery for it. So me not bother trouble it. Battery dead. No battery in it.
The battery's totally dead.
Want a battery.
So you need a battery. Okay. So you see, what's his name? Otis has his van up and running.
Yeah, man.
You proud of him?
I am man, I'm bridging, man. Tori see me a roll band and Tori no left here, so I'm bridging, man, every day.
Yeah.
Tori walk at one bush.
So most of your money goes towards your children.
Yeah, man, God ever take it.
Can you give me a tour of your house?
Huh? Yeah, man, come
Let's
in.
come get a tour of Pop's house. Get the saltfish. Respect, love, man. Hey, Angela, we got saltfish. Who's this beautiful girl?
Look at him.
Beautiful girl.
I saw bleach me one.
You're pretty bad.
That's saltfish and butter.
Saltfish and butter?
Take a look at tour.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Don't move.
Find out from the person here. That look up there.
So you want to support Pops so he can expand his thing.
Yeah.
So this is your home. Anybody in there, Pops?
Yeah. Alright, yeah, come. I'm going to continue to repeat that hold on.
So this is your place. How many people live here?
I'm very arena, but then my big daughter board up a homewood school and also you know depend.
So let's see if we could do that in English. He has a big daughter that's one of Jamaica's top runners. And it's expensive to get shoes and stuff for her because she's so she boards.
Yeah, man, I'm board in my school. Pay around $12,000 a month for him. Send him lunch money every Monday morning. You have to send him $2,500. In between, you have to have some little more thing to give him set speed, you know. A little rough still, you know, but you have to do for every year you them.
So it's rough. He sends his daughter to. You have 2 daughters. We got shoes for the little one. It's a lady named Sharon. You want to thank her?
Yeah.
Say thank to
Yeah,
Sharon.
man. I say fine, thank you, man, and respect due to everybody, man.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, not too.
So
Yeah,
this
man,
is your
you can
kitchen.
help. Yeah, man, I'm looking kitchen this year.
Okay. Are you looking to buy? If you expand your shop or expand your business, that should give you fund to buy a piece of land in.
Yeah, man, I set up my one little thing, man.
So is this it's the master bedroom?
Yeah, man,
Let's see our master bedroom. Oh, that's Auntie's picture there.
Yeah, man, I see stop all in the picture. Stop all in that.
Real life. This is the real life of a farmer. His name is Pops. Pops, he didn't spread the bed. Which is your wife or you? Who got out?
I'm last week.
Are you last week? Angela, Pops never spread the bed. I love it. So you just got married.
Yeah, man.
And when is this?
Huh?
This was last year.
Yeah, first of December.
How long were you with your wife now?
17 years.
17 years.
17 years.
Congratulations, brother.
Bless up, man.
And this is the beautiful one we got the shoes
Yeah,
for.
man.
What's her name?
Anisha
Anicia
Williams.
And my daughter's name is Anais. And here we have the king and the queen. You guys look beautiful, gorgeous. Lovely, little brethren, lovely. Guys, support Pops, you know, this is a family man, see? Just like you, no different. He's a farmer. How many years have you been farming for?
You know, so me I try life from me at 13 years old, me I push myself.
You've been farming from 13
Yeah.
years?
Come never to no help for nobody, send me at school, you know, so.
So you
I push me
didn't,
off to
you
take
didn't
it
finish school or anything?
Yeah, so the school we get just one day a week or 2 days a week, you know, because we don't know mother and father to push out for you, know.
Okay.
So we have to just push out for you know. From a little boy, I work for myself. I try to make my $1 put in my pocket.
From your littles?
Yeah, man, from my 13 year old, I push me the line in my pocket, man.
So no, these are trophies and these awards.
All of them you have for my daughter.
All of these are for your daughter?
Yeah, man, a big one for 1 month. All of them.
How fast does she run?
Yeah, man, I set the gun in that town, girl, and I come second.
Saturday she went to town.
Yeah, man,
and came
I just a
second.
trophy and get Saturday. That's the silver, yeah. And get Saturday.
Okay, people, so you have to support the family because
Yeah,
they're
man.
producing
All of
Jamaicans.
them trophy, yeah.
All these trophies are hers.
I take time I come.
Do you have a picture of her?
I picture them there now. Picture them, I see there.
Show us the next room. So this is the master bedroom for the king and the queen. Yes. Life is life. Yeah. I go to Jamaica.
Oh, that's a big boy that live down there.
Okay, and this is for the rest of the children. Tell them spread them bed the next time I come, all right?
Everybody just jump up out from me.
Well,
I need to go to school, you know?
she did. Did she walk to school today?
Yeah, man, she walked down, man.
She walked.
Gone now.
So this is your tank. Don't you have catchment for your tank?
Yeah, man, but the water no good, you know, water dry red, they find it within, you know?
Okay. All right. So remember, if any.
All right, hello.
Go.